In African tribe we sing. In the Bible the Lord God said, let there be light and there was light. Let there be peace and there was peace. God gave the world life, power and peace. God gave the power to some people. They invented war here and there. Hatred amongst people of the world. Love was buried behind the eyes of the head. Love was a blessing to the world from above. The world neglected it and love was lost. In African tribe we sing.